Good day, everyone. I am Regine Adria Abines, currently taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education. We are going to talk about learners from indigenous groups under Unit 3 of Typology of Learners with Special Needs. At the end of the discussion, the students are expected to discuss the definition of indigenous people under educational background, create a song that highlights the importance of preventing discrimination against indigenous learners, appreciate the importance of education among indigenous people. What can you say about when you hear the word indigenous groups or indigenous people? Indigenous people are distinct social and cultural groups that share collective ancestral ties to the lands and natural resources where they live, occupy, or from which they have been displaced. Indigenous describe any group of people native to a specific region. So, in other words, refers to people who lived there before colonists or settlers arrived, defined new borders, and began to occupy the land. Indigenous people communities can be found here in the Philippines, in the interiors of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. There are different indigenous groups in the country, and according to the United Nations Development Program, the Philippines is a culturally diverse country with about 14 to 17 million indigenous people or IPs belonging to 110 ethno-linguistic groups. They are mainly concentrated in northern Luzon, Cordillera Administrative Region 33%, and Mindanao 61%, with some groups in the Visayas area. Indigenous learners in the context of education. The Philippine historical accounts show that indigenous peoples or IPs in the Philippines have long been suffering from discrimination and lack of access to education. Did you know, class, that there are challenges that faced by learners of indigenous group? We have lack of resources. Most indigenous learners are struggling with their schoolwork. It is because they don't have any gadgets. We also have language barrier, that they are having a hard time understanding the lessons because of the language barrier and their teachers were using words that they can't understand. Thus, this affected their performance in school. We also have financial instability. So, what is this? It is the struggle when their projects were being proclaimed by the teacher and traveling from their home to their school, and disappointment encountered. The learners encountered disappointment when they encountered a challenging lesson to learn when the teacher gave a brief informal test and got a low score from it. The rights of the IPs or ICCs to education were made prominent in the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Various constitutional provisions grant the IPs the right to education along these lines. To establish and control their education, to receive protection from the state without discrimination, and a mandate for the state to take measures to ensure children of indigenous peoples have access to education using their own language and culture, according to the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Did you know, class, that there are examples of indigenous group in the Philippines? We have in Luzon, the Ibaloy. Ibaloy learners are people who are learning the Ibaloy language, an indigenous language of the Philippines. Ibaloy is a term denoting the indigenous natives of the central and southern part of Benguet, a province in Luzon, in the northern section of the Philippines. We also have the Kankanay people are an indigenous people of northern Luzon, Philippines. In Visayas, we have Ibanag. The Ibanag are an ethno-linguistic group of people who live in the Cagayan Valley region of the Philippines. They are one of the largest ethno-linguistic minorities in the country. The second one is the Tagbanwa. The Tagbanwa are an indigenous group of people in the Philippines who primarily live in central and northern Palawan. We have Mindanao, the Mandaya. Mandaya are an indigenous group of people in the Philippines who live in the mountain ranges of Mindanao. We also have Bukidnon. The indigenous people of Bukidnon include the Talaandig, Higaunon, Bukidnon, Umayamnon, Matigsalog, Manubo, and Tigwahanon. Thank you, everyone. I hope you learned about something in our lesson for today.